over 50. What a start he said to his one-day career. Doesn't make very good contact, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, but will still pick up a boundary. Far too short from Sami.
Another poor delivery by Mohammad Sami, who just picked up the wicket in the last over. That's sometime I don't understand in Sami's case, that he bowled such a good over the last one and suddenly he bowled a short delivery. And he knows that Dhoni is so good, so quick on the short delivery.
And he's found the gap. And we all know how hard he can hit the cricket ball. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Well, he's spot on, Mahendra Dhoni, because he said 15 balls and then I start hitting. And this was the 16th delivery he faced. I think he's counting. On the up, picked up the gap. Beautiful.
Yeah, as long as Mahendra Singh Dhoni is out there to bat for them. Stand and deliver. Easily done. How good a shot is that? Now he's been sent in to take the pressure off Yuvraj. Yuvraj has to now anchor the innings. Dhoni has to take the few risks that need to be taken. A boundary and over at least. But wow. See, the good thing about him, Ramiz, is he hits straight. He doesn't like to hit across the line. So that's why the consistency. It's a powerful hitter. Beautiful shot.
In the air, catch it is the corner. Oh, the fielder was in two minds. Should I go for the catch? Should I stop the runs? He does neither. Mohammad Sami.
He's having a tough day, Mohammad Sami. That one was flying at him. I think he should have just gone for it. It didn't really pick that one up. He's standing in the shade. The ball was coming from the sunlight. Hard to pick it sometime. A huge crowd here. It wasn't really high up in the air. It was flatter sort of a delivery coming at you. And I think to Razak, I don't think the catch is going to hurt that much. But
he's gone over the top. And when he does that, he will clear the boundary ropes quite easily. So Dhoni is starting to open up for India.
Well, I'm not really sure if this is a cricketing shot. Looks like a baseball shot. It's a home run. Length delivery, and it seems like that he was just waiting for it. And look at the swing of the bat. Here you go. Bang! And that went a long way.
Sixth one-day international 50 for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What a player he is. A delight to watch. 259 for 2. He will not look at the bowler. He'll just look at the ball. And if it's there to be smashed, he'll do exactly that.
Well, you deserve everything, spectators. They have come all the way to enjoy this cricket, and they have enjoyed to the maximum. A little bit of room, created a room for himself, and thrown that heavy bat on the ball. Beautiful shot.
Well, the run rate required now is under 5, 4.97. Wakar, it was almost 8 at one stage. Straight down the ground, and don't bother, just fetch it. There was a long on and a long off, but they were mere spectators.
Shiva, do you really think the run rate really mattered to this man? I don't think so. There's a man there, a deep mid-off, and that one smashed over him. And have a look at the previous 6 he hit. Look at the energy he's gathering here. Plenty of power coming from the back, hamstring, forearms, wrist, all together.
Oh, cracking shot. Ends the over with a boundary. It's 273 for 2. So India had a terrific over the last one. 14 runs coming from it. natural route and no guessing where it's landed. Don't worry.
But no mercy there for the bowler. This man is just killing them. Well, I was expecting this match to go deeper than this, a lot deeper than this. But this man wanted to finish it very quickly. This one was smashed really hard, right in the crowd.
And again. He is sensational. Truly sensational.
Well, what can one say? This man is just awesome. Look at that. On the back foot, he just swung this heavy bat. That one went miles high and far. 1 run needed.
And Chiki moves to 77.